Question number 5 will be of 4 marks. Okay, so 3 into 4, 12, and then this 4. So 16. One extract will be of 16 marks. Okay, one extract. How many marks? 16 marks. There will be 5 questions. Question number 1, 2, 3 will be of 3 marks. So 12 like that. And then after the last question of each extract, you have that is of 4 marks. Clear? Okay, all right. Then one extract. Then after that is of 1. Again, 2 will be the same and 3 will be the same. So that is the condition of section A. There will be 3 extracts from section A. Whatever scenes and whatever acts you have studied from there only there will be question. It is not necessary that all questions you will be getting from the workbook. No, workbook questions can't become, or maybe there are chances to come, but the lines what we have in our text, questions will be framed from there only. So if you have any extra model paper or any extra question paper, try to discuss these things. Okay. Then after, we will be talking on section B. That was section A is okay, I hope. Now we have section B. Section B. So section B will be from poetry. Poetry. Okay. What about poetry? In the same way, what we have in section A, there will be 3 extracts. 1, 2, 3. One extract have 5 questions. Okay. 1 to 3, 1 to 4 question of 3 marks. Then the last one is of 4 marks. It becomes 6. Then that will be 12, and then 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 marks. So one extract will have 5 questions, that is of 16 marks. Then here also again extract 2 and extract 2. So there will be 3 extract of 16 marks. And the next section is section C, that is of prose section. Okay. Section C. Section C will be of prose. So here in prose you are going to get short story. Okay, short story. For prose there will be 2 extracts. Okay, for prose there will be 2 extracts. First extract will have same 1 to 4 question of 3 marks, and then the last one is of the 5 question will be of 4 marks. So total that will become what? So that will be 16 marks. Okay. So extract 1 and extract 2 will be same. There will be 2 extract in section C from prose. Extract 1 will have 5 questions. Question number 1 to 4 will have 3 marks, and then after the last question number 5, what you have that will be of 4 marks. Okay. Last question that will be of question number 9. So from section A there will be 3 extracts. See that section A 1, 2, 3, then B 4, 5, 6, then C 7, 8, and 9. So you have to focus on this 9 question. What about this 9 question? See, question 9, whatever question 9 will be, that will be from any short story. Any short story. Suppose I have a last year paper, and there just wait, please let me drink water. I'm just coming. Okay. So, question number 9. I have a last year paper. Here it says that answer the following question with the reference to a story is given to Ruskin's Bond's story of Ace in the Dark. So the last question can be framed that here are the reference of, suppose that the first story of Steve Seattle. Steve. So whatever question, here also 5 questions, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So whatever 5 question will be framed, that will be framed from a particular short story, what is mentioned in question number 9. Clear? So there will not be, okay, sorry, there will not be 5 questions. Suppose, see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That was the structure what we had in the rest of the sections. But here in the last question, there will be only 3 questions. Okay, in question number 9, there will be only 3 questions. 1, 2, and 3. These 2 questions will have 4 marks, then 4 marks, and then the last one will be of 8 marks. So the total becomes 16. Clear? Question number 1 and 2 will be of 4 marks, and the last will be of 8 marks. Clear? So that is overall paper pattern. A number of students are asking me regularly, what will be the paper pattern. I know that this is the first time you are going to handle this type of paper. So it is my duty to explain the paper pattern properly to you, so that you're not you will not be puzzled in your examination. Clear? How much question? How many questions you have to attempt? So, student, there will be many options in question, but you have to attempt only 5 questions. Only 5 questions. So, from section A, what is the compulsory part you have to do? The compulsory part is that you have to attempt any one question from all the sections. Okay. It is necessary to attempt any one question from all the sections, that is of A, B, and C. So suppose you are choosing A, means from section A, here will be option. You can choose 1, 2, and 3. Out of these 3, any question what is best prepared by you, or that can be chosen by the student. So 1, 2, and 3, any question can be chosen. Then after from B, any can be chosen. Then after from C, any can be chosen. So there will be option. But what is the necessary part? That you have to choose one question at least from a section, and then after choosing one from all the sections, there will be 2 options. So you can choose either from this or from this, whatever best question for you. Clear? Now you can ask me if you have any doubt. What I explained from paper pattern, did you get all the things? Do you have any problem in paper pattern now? Dhruv Srivastava.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, can you explain the section C part?
Okay. See the same section A and section B like section C as well. Okay. Only the difference will be in 9th question. Question number 9. Here you will be getting 2 extract. Question number 7 will be like extract 5, 1 extract, then 5 questions.
Ma'am, 2 extract will be given.
Oh, 7 and 8 will be extract. Okay. Question number 9 will not be any extract. Here on the basis of one particular story, you have to attempt 3 questions. 1, 2, and 3 questions.
Yes,
okay.
ma'am.
So question number 1 and 2 will be of 4 marks.
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 3 will be somewhere longer question, that will be of 8 marks. Clear?
Okay.
So now total will be 16. So all over the question will be of 16 marks, and any 5 you have to choose. So that will be.
Ma'am, all 16 questions. In that we have to attempt 5 questions.
No, not 16 question. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There will be only 9 questions.
Yes, ma'am. 9 questions. And we have to attempt
from A, 3 extract, from B, 3 extract, and from C also 2 extract, and then after 3
extract.
So total 5 questions. What is compulsion? That any one question is really compulsion to choose from all the sections. Okay.
Then in one question, one question is necessary.
From section 1, one question is necessary. Clear?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bhavishya?
Good morning, ma'am.
Hello,
good morning, ma'am.
Okay, there are 2 students. Let me mute first Vaibhav. I will talk to Bhavishya, then after Vaibhav. Yes, good
Hello.
morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
हाँ Bhavish, tell.
Ma'am, out of 9 questions, we will have to attempt only 5 questions.
Yeah, that is the same question what Dhruv had asked me. So try to listen the question what others are asking. Yes, you have to only attempt 5 questions. That I already told you. And
I'm just sorry.
yes, Weber, now tell.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, please tell the optional part, ma'am, what we have to do in the optional part.
Okay, in option that is up to you. If your this part is favorite, so if Merchant of Venice is completely prepared, so you can choose any other part from Merchant of Venice, which two can be chosen from anyone. Okay. If
Ma'am,
you have,
from section A, we have to choose 2.
that is up to you. I'm saying no. 5
Okay, ma'am.
questions total you have to do.
Yes,
Clear?
ma'am.
What is necessary? That one and one is necessary for each one.
Okay, ma'am.
After taking these three, anyone can be necessary. Now this is up to you that out of these, how much you're going to choose. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now Bhumi.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning.
Good morning, Bhumi.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
I'm having doubt in the ninth question. From which story, ma'am? The questions will be based on the story which is on our syllabus, or it will be given from.
Not from others. Okay, board will ask question from only that is your syllabus. What we have already studied, that is only 2 story, the old man at the bridge and the next one is Chief Seattle's speech. So from these two, any question will be coming. Clear that you have to means there will be only 3 questions, 4 and then 8. So that question will be
Ma'am,
somewhere longer. Easy question.
ma'am, ma'am, the questions will be based on any para line or any extract, or without giving any extract or
That
para
only I
line.
am
The
saying,
questions
no,
will be
that
there.
in question number now there will not be any extract. One example I will tell you the last year paper. Here heading is saying that answer the following question with the reference to the Ruskin Bond story, A Face in the Dark. So suppose I'm going to give some question from Chief Seattle. So I will give like that, answer the following question with the reference to, with the reference to your book story number 1, Chief Seattle. It means that all these the 3 questions are going to have from that particular story. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Tanvi.
Hello. Yes, good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, I want to ask that I was disconnected again and again, so I can't hear clearly everything. So can you repeat not in theory, you can repeat slightly.
So you can only know that, in paper pattern, there will be 3 sections, section A, section B and section C. Clear? Yes or no? Section A will be from drama, section A will be from poetry, section C from prose, that is short story.
Yes,
There will be 3 extracts, 1, 2 and 3. One extract will be 5 questions. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
In one extract, there will be 5 questions. Question number 1 to 4 carries 3 marks. Question number 5 will carry 4 marks. So total will be 16 marks. It means one extract total have 16 marks.
Nice.
So one extract, 2 extract, 3 extract. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
In the same way, section B is also repeated. A little bit difference is there in section C. Okay. In
Yes,
section C, these two will be same, like
extracts.
Like extract. In question number 9 only, there will be 3 questions only. 1, 2 and 3. 1 and 2 question will carry 4 marks, and then the last question will carry 8 marks.
Oh, 8.
So that will be total 16.
Okay, ma'am. And ma'am, means from all the 3, we have to select one question.
It is necessary. That instruction will be written on the paper. It is necessary to select any one from all the sections. Clear? Now
Yes,
there will be 2 in option. Any one you want to write, you can write. That is depend on you. But any one is necessary from all the sections.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Last one is Krish. Yes, Krish. Unmute yourself. What happened, Krish? Tell. Okay, Krish is not responsive in anything. So that will be of 80 marks. What about 20 marks? That 20 marks will be from oral exam. For oral exam, there will be questions that is based on your syllabus. So try to prepare all our syllabus coming in term 1. So for that, teacher will maybe they will take your exam orally. So maybe they will call like the last year we have. So any doubt in oral exam? Do you have any doubt in oral exam? Yeah.
Ma'am, in oral exam, we are having no, we have to answer every question. No option are there.
No, there will not be option. Simple
And
question.
ma'am, which kind of question they'll ask?
Like, okay, suppose that there is a, on the last question, one maybe one line, that line will not be asked, but where are the Antonio's ship? Okay, who are the friends of Antonio? What is the relation between Bassanio and Antonio? Clear? What is the
ma'am.
name of Portia's mate? From where the first scene began? Okay, how the Antonio's ships, Antonio's big ships compare with the smaller ships, like that only. Not from Merchant of Venice, but that question will base from prose and poetry as well. Okay, what do you mean by
Okay.
plucking the grass? Question will be like that. What we are generally, discussing.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, and any doubt in oral exam? Yes. Tanvi? Guru, what happened?
Ma'am, in oral exam, only the question asked by the Merchant of Venice.
No, from oral syllabus. That can be less or more. Maybe from Merchant of Venice, because there are two acts. Then means here are more chances to frame question. So that is overall from syllabus. That is not up to you. You have to prepare all over syllabus. Okay. What happened, Bhumi?
Hello.
Hmm.
Ma'am, I'm having in the written means in the written exam doubt.
Hmm.
Ma'am, if we have attended one question from each the section,
Hmm.
then how many questions more we have to attempt after
Two more.
attempting one question? Two more.
Three will
Ma'am,
be done
from
1,
any
2, 3.
section.
3 from all the section. Then any 2 you can choose. That is up to you.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So now I hope that all the doubts are clear. Now some questions that is not given in your workbook, I will discuss to you, and if you want to note it down, that question may be important for your oral exam and your written exam. So try to have the idea of all the questions what I'm going to ask you. The next class what we have, in that also I will discuss with the important question that is somewhere from outside. Clear? So try to note it down all the questions if you want to, or if you want to keep in your mind, just keep in your mind. But just remember that all the questions will be from the syllabus or the lines given in your book. See, from Act 1, Scene 1, there's a stanza, a speech given by Celerino that your mind is tossing on the ocean. From workbook questions, we all have, discuss all the things. But some different question I'm going to ask you today. I will ask the question from that on particular speech. Your mind is tossing on the oceans there where your argues with orderly soul, like signals and rich burgers on the flood, or as it was the that pigeons of the sea. From here to the last, all over the last speech. So on the basis of that particular speech, I will ask you a question like that. What has Antonio just narrated that make the speaker say that Antonio's mind talking on the ocean? Question is asking that what happened due to that the speakers is telling these things. What things? That particular speech was given by Celerino. So question is asking that what has happened just narrated that makes The speaker say that Antonio's mind. Why Celerino has to say his speech like that? That his mind is also would be on that particular ocean if he would be like that. So that answer you have to just write. For your understanding, I will tell you that Antonio has just narrated the state of his mind. Okay, question is asking you what had just happened. Is asking, try to understand. You have to in class 9 while choosing question, you have to what you're going to write carefully. Don't think that see that very less students have joined me today, and this session is very important. So now the revision time, please join the class properly. See that try to understand that the point is asking in the question. Question is asking that what has happened, or what has Antonio just narrated? What speech just narrated by Antonio? Due to that, Celerino was compelled to state his speech. So suppose here two things you have to say. First of all, that he has just narrated his state of mind, what that he was sad and without knowing the reason why he was sad. So two things you have to mention, that he was just stated in the state of mind, and also he does not know that why he was sad. Means the reason he was not knowing actually. He does not know the nature of his mysterious sadness, nor does he know the source of his origin. So all over the answer you have to write two parts. The first part here that you have to write the state of mind, that what had happened. In the second part you're going to write, on hearing Antonio's explanation, his friend Celerino tries to diagnose the disease. Okay, your mind is tossing on the ocean. He says like that. So why he was compelled to say that? That I'm only explaining. So on the second part of the answer, that you have to choose, that on hearing the reason or hearing the condition or the narration, what he has narrated, Antonio has narrated, he was telling that my friend, that he tried to reduce the problem, he tried to diagnose the, reasons, the disease. What is disease? That sadness. He guesses that Antonio is sad because he is worried about this merchant ship going into different directions of the sea. Then only you have to see that there will be two parts. In first part, you have to give what is the reason. What is the reason on that speech was given? Why was so very compulsion to give the speech? First of all, you have to write that, and then the second part you have to write that why he was given, so that he was, he just wanted to reduce the problem of his friend, so that is why he was telling like that. So this question is somewhere different, yes or no? Yes or no? I gave an example for you so that you can try to have the criteria of different question. Don't think that all the question will be based from your workbook. So this question is different? Yes, Dhruv?
Yes, ma'am, it is different. Ma'am, in oral exam also the question asked from
Yes.
out of workbook.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
There are some particular questions are based on workbook, no? So
Yes,
that is
ma'am.
limited question, and we have a number of unlimited questions with us. So try to read extra one.
Okay, ma'am.
Aradhya Pathak?
Hello, ma'am. Ma'am, this question is different from the question which are given in the workbook.
Yes. So that
Something
is why something different. So when you are going to read something different question, you will really enjoy these things. Again, I'm going to ask a question. Where are Antonio's ships? How do these ships move? Just remember one question. Where are Antonio's ships? Number two, how do these ships move? Then how do they present an impressive spectacle on the sea? See that I explained in that speech. Three questions. How do they present an impressive spectacle on the sea? So it's very simple. Question number one answer is that these ships are at the sea. Question number two, how the ships move? So secondly, you will give that with their majestic sail, means they are moving in a majestic style. So how they are moving? They are moving in majestic style. how do they present an impressive spectacle on the sea? So you write that with their majestic sails, the voyage upon the seas and present and impressive. Impressive. I told you that all the ships in front of the big ship, the commercial ship of Antonio, they are looking like small ships, poor ships. So they are moving from they are majestic, in majestic style. The last question we will discuss today: how are Antonio's big ships are compared with the smaller ships? How are Antonio's big ships are compared with the smaller ships? So can anybody tell me this answer? Okay, Bhuvi. Tanvi, you tell. What happened? Okay, Annam, give the answer of this question. Unmute yourself, Annam. Ah,
Good morning, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. The Antonio ships are said to be celebrities of the sea, and all the petty traffickers are they give respect to it and move and either move out of the way or bow down to it.
okay, but my question is that how Antonio's big ships are compared to smaller one? Your points are somewhere correct, but try to add something more. Try to say something is something on a smaller ship first one. This is incomplete answer. If you have any point, it's okay. Otherwise, there are so many raised hands. I will ask to Vaibhav.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Vaibhav, where are you?
Hello.
Okay, Tanvi. Okay, Tanvi, do you have this answer?
Yes, ma'am. By my own, I
Ah.
have that. Ma'am, Antonio's ships were compared to small ships because his ships were very big, huge, and very rich. You can say that it was looking in front of small ships. It was looking very good and nice, and that is the reason that it is compared with the small ships.
Okay, so it's okay. Some points I'm going to give you because only 5 minutes we have. See, if you want to note it down, please. Antonio's large ships tower above small vessels engaged in pretty traffic. Why pretty traffic is used? Because there are number of ships moving on. So large ship tower means very high above small ship. So among the small ships, it looks very, tall. In the same way, as gentlemen of status and other rich citizens look far superior to humble people. That also I explained. See the first video of my explanation, you will be getting this point. Thus, so smaller ships fitted with a light sail. See here in this question, if one side it is talking about the big commercial ships, on the other side they are talking about the smaller one. So Anam, your answer is lacking here. Clear? That you have to only say. If one side you are going to say something about the commercial ship of Antonius, on the same way, on the other hand, you have to say something about how you are comparing. No, so if you are comparing one point, so in one point, if you are comparing this ship, try to compare on the other side the other one. So, that is why I'm saying if you're going to write any answer, write it to the point. The smaller ship fitted with the light sails bob up and down under the influence of the waves and so appear to show respect to Antonio's ship. So these are the points that you have to add. One more question. How would Salarino have behaved if he had a ship at sea like those of Antonius? What would have made him sad? Very good question. How would Salarino have behaved if he had ships at the sea like those of Antonius? What would have made him sad? It's very simple. That is from his speech. Vaibhav, do you know this answer? Okay, Aradhya.
Hello, ma'am. Ma'am, Salarino will look in everything what he see. He will pluck the grass and
First
see
of
the.
all, he is talking about future imagination. So don't use the word will. These are the different that you have to say. That is the future imagination.
If Salarino would have the business like Antonio, then he would look in everything what he see, and he would pluck the grass and see the directions of the wind, and when he will cool his broth, then he will think about the winds, that his winds will destruct his ships, and when he will go to the church, then the stones which are kept in the church, by seeing that he will be very fearful about his ships, he that things would make him sad.
Okay, Aradhya, your answer is correct. Some points I want to give from my side. Okay, Celeronia would have also remained worried. Answer is talking about his friend Celeronia would have also remained worried. Why? About his ship if he had such type of venture like Antonio. Okay, if he were facing a similar situation of having a commercial enterprises in danger, the greater part of his feeling would also have been connected with the hopes of safety for the things. Okay, first of all, he would try to think the number of plans to the safety of the ship. So what is there at the sea? So thinking of the risk at the sea, he would become sad like Antonio. So the same what Aradhya told is right answer. And if you want to add some points to what I told you, you can add. So your 11:30 is completed, student. Now tomorrow class is also very important. Don't miss the class. We will have a number of questions for discussion. I will try to bring the question that is based on question, but from outside, because you are familiar with the question which is given on your workbook. I will try to bring different question that is from outside. So thank you so much and have a nice day.